Do as you're told. Nobody gets.
Oh, come on, Wolf!
Oh, this leprechaun hat dude gets hurt. To participate is very simple. You folks, get out your folding money. Your pocket change.
That's Rose.
Recognize that hat.
Jewelry.
I bet he never wears that.
Gold teeth.
You better give me that.
I got no money.
You're right, you don't.
Balls in the pocket.
I like this game. Oh, did I win?
Yep, you won.
He's only going to get better.
You know that one?
Welcome to the Wild West. He's in cahoots with those robbers, isn't he?
I don't know him.
No, that's what all the kids say.